Hi there. Today we're going to talk about using LinkedIn for companies. We're going to share a step by step guide and some efficient tips on how to build a strong presence for your company on LinkedIn. We will also explain how LinkedIn works overall. Being present on LinkedIn is crucial for small and medium sized businesses because it offers a level playing field to connect with a vast network of professionals and potential customers. With limited resources, small and medium sized businesses can leverage LinkedIn to build industry credibility, showcase expertise, and foster relationships that might otherwise be challenging to establish. Furthermore, the platform provides a great opportunity for freelancers, sole traders, and one man band businesses to build an entity that people appreciate and respect, especially if their target audience are B2B businesses. So let me take you through a step-by-step guide into how to get started. Furthermore, the platform provides a great opportunity for freelancers, sole traders, and one-man band businesses to build an entity that people appreciate and respect, especially if their target audience are B2B businesses. So let me take you through a step-by-step guide into how to get started. Step number one is to create a compelling company profile. Creating a compelling company profile on LinkedIn is crucial for making a positive first impression and attracting potential customers and partners. And you can do so by optimizing a number of things. Number one, a professional cover photo. Start with a high quality cover photo that visually represents your brand. Use a visually appealing image that conveys professionalism and tells a story about your brand. Using your brand's logo, fonts, and colors, create a nice design that includes your business name, contact info, and 3 services or solutions that you offer. And ensure that the cover photo is the recommended size and that it displays well on both desktop and mobile devices. Number two, your profile photo. Upload your company's logo as the profile photo and ensure that it's clear and easily recognizable. You should be using a square image and aim for a resolution of at least 300 by 300 pixels. And number three, your About section. Write a concise and compelling company description in the About section, and this should provide an overview of your company's mission, values, and core offerings. It's good to note that LinkedIn generously allows you to use more than 2,500 characters in your About section, and this description can be read by search engines. That includes LinkedIn's search engine and Google's. So make the most out of this section by using relevant keywords to your industry, and that's to improve your search visibility. Your About section should also highlight your unique selling points, what sets your brand apart from competitors, what your brand promise is, and a little bit on why should people trust you. Then finally, include a call to action encouraging visitors to follow your page or visit your website. Number four, detailed company information. Fill out all the essential company information on LinkedIn, including your industry, company size, website URL, headquarters location, and founding date. And try to also add contact details, such as a phone number or an email address. This makes it easy for potential customers to reach out to you, especially if you're a small business. And now we move to step number two, which is about creating an effective content strategy for LinkedIn. This is a pivotal part in engaging with your audience and building a strong brand presence for your business. LinkedIn is a professional platform, but that doesn't mean that your content has to be boring. On the contrary, there's great room for ideas and sharing valuable content on LinkedIn. So let's talk about some of these content ideas for inspiration. For example, if you run a financial consultancy, share a quarterly report on market trends, breaking down investment opportunities, and create visually engaging infographics that summarize key data points. You can also encourage discussions on investment strategies. Another good idea for content is company news and updates. Keep your audience informed about the latest developments within your organization. Announce new product launches, partnerships, awards, or company milestones. And you can share behind the scenes glimpses of your team's achievements and celebrations too. Now, here are some more examples. If you're a professional coaching business, you can share news about upcoming meetups, workshops, or partnerships with new clients or businesses. And if you're a software company, celebrate the launch of a new software version with a post highlighting the features and benefits. You can also share a behind the scenes video of your development team's efforts. Another great idea for content is thought leadership articles. You can position yourself and your team as thought leaders in your industry by publishing articles that offer unique perspectives, solutions to common problems, or visionary insights. Thought leadership content can include opinion pieces, case studies, and in depth analysis. For example, if you're in the health and wellness sector, you can write about emerging health and wellness trends and what patients expect or are concerned about at the moment. You can also share real world case studies showcasing how your solutions have helped your clients. And the last content idea we have for today is sharing professional achievements. You can celebrate the accomplishments of your team members by sharing success stories, promotions, or work anniversaries. It's great to recognize employee contributions and show appreciation for their dedication on your company page. And you can also use that to highlight how your employees' expertise benefits your clients and customers. For example, if you're a service provider, recognize one of your employees' achievements of completing a prestigious certification and highlight how this achievement enhances the quality of services your agency offers. Now that you know some content ideas, we need to talk about consistency and content planning. So let's start by talking about a content calendar. You need to plan your content in advance using a content calendar. This helps ensure a consistent posting schedule and aligns your content with key events, holidays, or industry-specific dates. It also takes off the pressure of having to create and post immediately or suffer the consequences of not being active at all. Another important thing that you need to plan out is the frequency of your posts. You need to determine how often you will post, because consistency is more important than frequency. So choose a schedule that you can maintain. And a good thing to note here is that posting once a week with high quality content is much better than posting daily with low quality content. Another important concept is engagement. You must encourage audience engagement by asking questions, seeking opinions, or conducting polls in your posts. And you should always be responding to comments and messages promptly to foster a sense of community. Another important element that you should prioritize when you're creating content on LinkedIn is the visual side of your content. Try to incorporate visually appealing elements into your posts, such as images, videos, and infographics. Visual content tends to perform well on LinkedIn and can help convey complex ideas more effectively. And a good tip here is to upload content natively on LinkedIn instead of sharing a link to your YouTube or website. And the last important thing you need to remember when you're creating content is the concept of repurposing content. You should maximize the value of your content by repurposing it. For example, if you've written a comprehensive industry report, you can create multiple LinkedIn posts, infographics, and short videos highlighting key findings from that same report. And now we move to step number 3, which is employee advocacy. Employee advocacy on LinkedIn is a powerful strategy that involves encouraging and empowering your employees to become brand ambassadors for your company. This can significantly benefit small and medium-sized businesses by increasing brand visibility, building trust, and expanding the reach of their content. You can start applying employee advocacy through several tactics. Let's explore some of them. Number 1, encouraging employee advocacy. Start by educating your employees about the importance of LinkedIn and how it can benefit both them and the company, and ensure that they understand the value of personal branding and networking on the platform. Another thing you could do is create a LinkedIn policy. Develop clear guidelines and policies for LinkedIn usage within the company. This should include guidelines on how employees should represent the company on their profiles, what type of content is suitable to share, and how to maintain professionalism. You should also draw a clear line defining where the employee's thoughts and opinions end and where the company's opinions begin. Tactic number 2 is providing resources and content. Create a library of shareable content that employees can easily access and share. This can include blog posts, infographics, videos, and company news. You could also regularly share content suggestions with employees and send out emails or messages with links to articles or posts that they might find interesting and relevant to their networks. Tactic number 3 is keeping employee profiles professional and up to date. You can offer guidance on how employees can optimize their LinkedIn profiles. This includes using professional profile photos, crafting compelling headlines, and writing detailed summaries that highlight their skills and accomplishments. Encourage employees to regularly update their profiles to reflect their current roles, responsibilities, and achievements. This not only keeps their profiles fresh, but also helps the company's reputation. Tactic number 4 is leading by example. Company leaders should lead by example. They should actively engage on LinkedIn, share company updates, and support employees in their advocacy efforts. This sets a precedent for the rest of the organization. And tactic number 5 is respecting employee privacy and boundaries. Ensure that employees are aware of privacy settings on LinkedIn and respect their choices. Not everyone is comfortable with sharing certain types of content or even connecting with their colleagues on LinkedIn. Next, we move to step number 4, which is integrating LinkedIn with other marketing channels and tools. This is a strategic approach that enhances a company's overall digital presence. By seamlessly connecting LinkedIn with various channels, such as email marketing, blogs, and social media platforms, you can ensure that your marketing messages are consistent and that they all lead to your website or main hub. Now again, you can apply that strategy through multiple tactics, so let's go through some of them. Tactic number 1, LinkedIn signatures. Encourage employees to include the company's LinkedIn profile in their email signatures. This provides an easy way for recipients to connect with your company and team members on LinkedIn. Number 2, email newsletters. Share your LinkedIn updates and content within your email newsletters and vice versa. Try to include links to your latest LinkedIn posts, company news, and thought leadership articles. Number 3, sharing blog posts. Share your blog posts on your LinkedIn company page and personal profiles too, and write engaging captions that encourage discussion and engagement with the audience. Tactic number 4, LinkedIn articles. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to repost or create exclusive blog-style articles. This can help you establish thought leadership within your industry. Number 5, we have cross-promotion. Try to promote your LinkedIn content within your blog posts by including social sharing buttons and encouraging readers to connect with your company on LinkedIn. And the last tactic we have for this one is webinars and live streams promotion. Use LinkedIn to promote upcoming webinars, live streams, or virtual events. Create event pages and share them with your LinkedIn connections and followers too. You can also host live streams directly on LinkedIn. This can be used for product launches, Q&A sessions, or behind-the-scenes looks at your company. By curating engaging profiles and embracing employee advocacy, as well as weaving LinkedIn seamlessly into a broader digital marketing vision, small and medium-sized businesses can foster brand growth and forge invaluable connections. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you now have a better understanding of how to manage a LinkedIn company page. But if you have any questions, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.